Shift Position Sensor R&R. Pre-removal activities. Position the vehicle on a 2-post lift. Remove the AMT assembly, transmission assembly. Conditions for shift position sensor replacement. Refer diagnostic and repair manuals for conditions for which shift position sensor needs replacement. Shift position sensor removal procedure. Press the lock and disconnect the shift position sensor electrical connector. Using a T30 Torx socket spanner, loosen and remove the cover hub mounting screws. Carefully lift and remove the shift position sensor. Remove the gasket. Shift position sensor installation procedure. Insert a new gasket. Notice, always use new gasket during the installation. Carefully align the shift position sensor. Insert the sensor mounting screws. Torque tighten the screws to specified value. Connect the shift position sensor electrical connector. Top up the hydraulic fluid up to max mark on the reservoir. Post-installation activities. Refit the AMT assembly, transmission assembly. Using iSmart Diagnostic Tester, clear all DTCs registered on AMT ECU. Carry out the following adaptions. H-gate adaption. Gear endpoint. Start synchro adaption. Spit out adaption. Caution: while doing the adaptions, the AMT unit should be in cold condition. Run the vehicle and ensure proper functioning of automated manual transmission.